Xcelerate Fuel Tabs for your truck. Patented fuel tab formulated by PH.D. chemist and rocket scientist. We are EPA registered and OEM compliant. Xcelerate Fuel Tabs has over 35 years of research and development. 5 benefits while driving your truck with Xcelerate Fuel Tabs. 1. Save on truck fuel, get more miles to the gallon. 2. Save on truck maintenance. Fewer and cleaner oil changes, less wear on internal parts. 3. Lower truck emissions. Less pollution and lower CO2 levels mean a cleaner environment. 4. Save on your truck fuel costs. Most vehicles can now choose a lower octane fuel while using Xcelerate Fuel Tabs. 5. More power. More torque and horsepower mean better combustion for your truck. Try Xcelerate Fuel Tabs for your truck today. 30-day money-back guarantee on unopened product. Contact Garnett Banfield or register for a free account. Visit www.influencersunite.com.